The first question to be answered in this video is from Tejas A, asking about the quality of Wi-Fi and network reception. We tested the Samsung Galaxy M21 with both BSNL and Jio SIMs and did not face call drops or any noticeable issues like bad reception during calls, with good audio quality on both sides. The Wi-Fi strength and signal was also good, on par with other devices. We have been using the Samsung M21 for about a month now and will be answering few of your questions in this video after 1 month long-term use. Before moving on to the next question, let's quickly start the timer and do some continuous heavy gaming for a few minutes so that we can proof check for battery drainage, temperature and general device performance. So the second question is from Sujal Gupta. She asked if this is better than M31 and if yes, why M31 is priced so high? Kya M21 purchase karna sahi hai in budget smartphone? Please tell. Of course the Galaxy M21 is not better than M31 since it's the lower version, but the performance will be similar as both have the same 10nm Exynos 9611 processor with a Mali G72 GPU and 6000 mAh huge battery. The Samsung M31 though has their 64MP primary camera and the base variant starts with 6GB RAM. The next question is a quick one by Vasil Sheikh. He wants to know if it has UFS 2.0 or eMMC and how is the call quality from earpiece. The answer is that Samsung M21 has UFS 2.1 storage technology, which is better than eMMC, and sound quality from the earpiece and earphones was fine. We faced no audio issues during calls. After about 5 minutes of heavy gameplay, the battery level has come down from 57 to 55% and the temperature has risen from 32.2 degrees to 36.1 degrees Celsius. So let's continue heavy gaming for 10 more minutes. The next question is a quick one from Bikramjit Singh. He says, thanks for the info. Does this phone support always on display? And the answer is simply yes, it does support always on display as this feature is part of One UI version 2.0. The next one is a very common query from Mansi Goyal, which we get on most videos. She says to please suggest best protective glass for Samsung Galaxy M21. The suggestion for total device protection and the buying links for tempered glasses, cases and accessories are given down in the description area as usual for every device. The question of the day goes to a good one from two people who want to know what's the difference between the M21 and M30s except for the version, and from Degenerate Weeblet who simply asked, is the M21 same as M30s? At first, if you compare the Samsung Galaxy M21 and M30s side by side and on paper, it actually looks identical to each other with the exact same design and 188 grams weight, 6000 mAh large battery, Exynos 9611 processor and the 48MP triple camera unit at the back. But if you look closer, there are only two differences. The Galaxy M21 has a 20MP front selfie camera, whereas it is 16MP on the Samsung M30s. Another main difference is in the build quality of both devices. If you remember, the M21 was able to survive high amounts of pressure in its bend test. While the Samsung M30s failed badly with cracks across the screen and eventually suffered from permanent display damage. So the Galaxy M21 has a much stronger, better build quality than the Samsung M30s. So until now, it's been around 15 minutes of continuous heavy gaming, which brings us to the questions from Lokeshwar Rao and Rajat, asking about known UI lag in M series devices and if there are heating issues while gaming. There was a total battery drain of 5% from 57 to 52%, which is decent with the 6000 mAh, and a temperature rise of only 3.6 degrees from 33.2 to 36.8 degrees without any heating issues. The gaming performance was okay at best, not the smoothest with a few stutters along the way, yet still playable and gets the job done. It is the same with the UI, where you might encounter irregular lags while browsing.